Long time no see. Here with another video vlog, cause this week is our homecoming week. So yeah, just want to say your girl just turned 19, October 26th. So new hair. But yeah, it's our homecoming week. You know, this is day one. Today we have a pep rally that we finna go to right now, which we're late. It started at 5:30, but you know, black people. And then later on tonight we have like this little disco thing. It's basically like a silent party. Like you put the headphones, listen to music. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get footage as usual. Hope you guys enjoy. And stay tuned. Back in! Hit the booty do! Here it is! Hit the booty do! Hit the booty do! So cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Is you really about that action? Said you want to give your all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Say that you're doing the most. When you take a look at the church, what you talking? Back that shit up. Won't you say mine? Say mine. Update y'all. Which I give it? Dumb. So I give it, y'all, my wig coming off. 10 out of 10. It was bomb, y'all. Y'all probably could really hear the songs in the headphones, but the music was dumb. It had 2 different stations. That shit was dumb. But them people, I don't know if they see me. Hey y'all, it's Angie. Update. It's day 2. What today is? Tuesday? Yeah. Today's Tuesday, the 29th of October.
Gotta show them the hand.
Oh, I can't show it yet, but we just got us henna tattoo. She got one. You gonna show them? If they can see it, I think so. Okay, that's Angie's. I can't show mine because the hand I'm using to record is on there. But once it dried, then I'll show y'all later. But we finna go to Bayou Park because yeah, they got inflatable like little bungee jump or whatever, and then they got food and stuff out here. So yeah, we finna see what's that about before we have to go to class again. So yeah, update. We got tacos. They had tacos and nachos. Yeah. I'm trying to show y'all my tattoo. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all. Update y'all. It's later on in the day. It's like, what time is it? 4 o'clock. We done with classes for today. I'm back with Ryan, Miss Redhead. We at Spirit Halloween. Trying to see if we can find a costume because there's 2 Halloween parties this week. Yeah. Remember, it's homecoming week, so we trying to see if we can find some costumes. But yeah, I'll keep y'all updated. We literally took a minute up in Ross. Did not see no fishnets at all. So we going back in Spirit, which is next door. And I'm just gonna have to pay $9 for these tights. But you know it's okay. Because I got my other pieces. Oh, It fell on my eye. A drip. Okay, she right there. Anywho, hold on. So we're back in the car. I had to end up getting the tights from Spirit. So far, so good. Me and Ryan just got to figure out about, like, kind of like the outfit part and then the shoes situation. Other than that, I think we're good. But yeah, check it with y'all later. I'm back.
Really out here.
It's November 1st.
My birthday month.
Yeah, we walking on the bridge. So yesterday was Halloween. We didn't really do nothing, honestly. But my friends did throw me like a little surprise. I'm gonna put the video, cause I meant to record it yesterday, but I forgot. My friends are so sweet. Yeah. Look what they did for me.
Don't forget the phone.
Can't forget about the phone.
You know what I had
The
to
phone.
do. You know that.
So sweet. This 2 out of 4. The other 2 somewhere. I don't know where they at right now. But yeah, it was so sweet. But today we're going to the party. Yeah. It's called Juiceween or whatever. So like this party we can wear costumes if we want. So I'm gonna go as my little bunny.
My little bunny.
My little bunny. And
Yeah.
exactly. So I'm gonna try to get footage while we out there. Just know.
Are you gonna record the game?
Huh? Oh, the game! The game's Saturday too. I'm gonna be at the game, of course. I don't know what I'm wearing yet, but you know I'm gonna keep y'all updated. Check it with you later.
Check it with you later, man. Let me see.
Y'all remember about that surprise I told y'all? Well, he go one of the other ones. So this 3 out of 4.
I can't see.
3 out of 4. But I'm updating because we at Spirit again. Cause Daya need to find something. But you gonna find something?
Yeah.
And then at that we need to find our other friend Jordan something. So yeah, it is at the Halloween. They having a 50% off. I could have waited to get my. You know what? Okay. I'm gonna update y'all. Yeah, 50% off because it's after Halloween. That's crazy.
I saying the same thing. I said at the police.
We at the party.
Yes, sir.
We got our costumes on. I'm a bud. I don't know. My friend's cute.
Nigga, I came through swerving. I was stuck and getting loud and getting dirty. We gon' murder you.
Go ahead. Do your thought this one. Hey, yeah, come on, Naya. Yes, sir. Hey, Tam.
Update y'all. I'm at the football game with Jordan. So today is Saturday, basically the last day of our homecoming week. So yeah, y'all probably can't hear me. I might have to talk to y'all later, but yeah. Pretty. Here go Angie and Sam. Oh. This girl and Ashley. This girl gotta do the most. Here go Jordan and Kiara. What you got to say? You got anything to say?
Baddest bitches right here in the section. I to have more fun.
Hello.
You know, fuck with it.
Right. Update y'all. So we're leaving the freaking game because all my friends complaining to me about they hungry. So I think the game I got 5 minutes left, and sadly we're kind of losing. Not too bad though, but yeah. We finna go get something to eat. It is a house party tonight that we're gonna go to. That's kind of like right here by the campus. So yeah, we're gonna be in that thing. You might be in my thumbnail. But yeah, I think we finna go to Wingstop. We waiting on Jordan because he getting in his car. So we walking to him. I didn't show y'all my fit. So I got this army jacket on, black shirt, jeans, and the feelers. And then Angie tags along. But yeah. I'ma update y'all later. So yeah. Like I told y'all earlier, I'm going to the house party. It's almost 9 o'clock. It don't start till 10, but you know, black people. Ooh, my bad. Black people don't show up on the dot to no party. Never on time. You see how the night go. As y'all always know, it's a party. So.
Is lit party?
No.
Back with the friends again. Oh, you.
Hey.
It is cold outside.
Look at
Back with my friends.
Hey.
It's not far, y'all.
We get ready. Yeah, Key. Get a key. Yeah.
Hard to pay for like past 4 minutes straight.
Y'all, we get ready for the party, you know.
Real nigga shit.
So
Oh,
yeah.
just got on the camera. Got on.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's
she got her pants. I'm in row. And not your room. Yeah. So I'm at a different dorm right now. But shit, we finna be out here thugging this shit on campus.
Oh wow. You know.
Part 2.
You know.
So yeah,
that's all your last drink.
this the last night, y'all. I'm sad. I ain't gonna say this week went by fast. We gotta go up tonight. This it after this. I can cry right now. Cause after this, campus finna be dead. Huh?
Stop bringing up school.
Please stop bringing.
My bad. I ain't been studying.
Fail once again.
So we all gonna be in the same boat.
Yeah, I'm gonna check it with y'all later. It's dark, y'all, but hey, so we walking to the park. Man, we had to park all the way, y'all. But I'm back with my best. So shoot. Yeah. Catch in with y'all later. Hey y'all, so we back. You wanna say something? Okay, so we at Waffle House. Y'all, the party, as y'all seen in the clip, it was a small house. Small, like it was claustrophobic. We left early. Sadly, it was free. And, you know, black people, of course, who wouldn't want to come to free stuff. So we at Waffle House finna eat with all my friends. They all look toe up, so I'm not gonna show. You wanna be in the camera? See? Yeah, I broke my pinky. Don't look at it. But yeah, I'm just updating y'all. Finna eat. Hopefully we get into something because our night ended a little too early, and then at that time I went back. So instead of it really being 2 a.m. right now, it's like 1 something right now. So yeah, I'll update y'all if anything else happens. Update y'all. So we figured to leave Walmart. I mean, Whataburger. I mean, Waffle House. Okay, hold on. We gotta pause. Hold on. Okay, let me turn my blind right quick. Okay, so we finna go to my bestie room. We finna get more lit because the day just ended a little too early. So our friends in the other car, y'all see Ro and Jordan in the back. Rest of them in the other car, and yeah, we finna go get lit. Try to get more footage. We gonna see. We gonna hold. So yeah, we out there, bitch. Check it with you later. Update. We in my bestie room. They in there talking. Rest of us is in Ashley's room. Ashley in her bed. Jordan, pop locking and dropping. Naya, Ro, Key.
In the corner.
And we in here. We in this thing. We trying to have a little part 2 because it's only like what, 2 in the morning. But you know that ain't
Let's
nothing
make
to
up a
us.
dance routine.
Yeah, just checking in with y'all.
So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. You know, put a little, get all up in it. All right, we're gonna do a little. Y'all ready? All right, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I ain't got time.
What song we doing this to?
Sex talk. 7, 8. Hold on.
Oh yeah, now you're
Somebody tell Beyonce to hire us.
hire us.
Put me on the next lemonade, please.
Alright.
I done threw me in one.
Throw me back, hey, throw me back, hey, throw me back, hey, throw me back. Okay, we taking a break.
The next day.
Hey y'all, I'm back. They dancing. Sunday night, it's like after 9 o'clock. I should have ended the vlog last night, but y'all, so much was going on. Overall, homecoming was straight. It should have been better, but you know, it's whatever. They distracted. Long as I was with my friends, I was good. So I'm just here to end the vlog and tell y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
And I will be back soon with another video. Y'all want to say bye? We breaking up. Yo, bow, a bow, a bow, a bow.